Good morning, on the ground, Skylane 9106 Charlie.
Skylane 9106 Charlie, ground, good morning.
Good morning, 06 Charlie, IFR to Burlington, please.
Skylane 9106 Charlie, cleared to the Burlington Airport as filed. Climb maintain 5,000, expect 8,010 minutes after. Departures Boston Center 134.7, squawk 5372.
Skylane 9106 Charlie, cleared to Boston as filed. Climb maintain 5,000, 8,000, 10 minutes after departure with Boston on 34.7, squawk 5372.
Skylane 9106 Charlie, read back correct, device right taxi.
And 06 Charlie, right taxi with Charlie.
Skylane 06 Charlie, runway 18, taxi via Alpha, hold short 25.
18 via Alpha, short 25, 06 Charlie. And tower Skylane 9106 Charlie, short of, 25, ready for departure in sequence.
Skylane 9106 Charlie, tower hold short, runway 25.
Short 25, 06 Charlie.
Skylane 9106 Charlie, turn right on runway 25, back taxi runway 18, winds variable at 4, climb and maintain 7,000, on course to Lebanon VOR, at your discretion, clear for takeoff.
Alright, right on 25, right on 18 for departure, and climb maintain 7,000, direct the VOR, my discretion for 06 Charlie. Here we go. Full power. Engine instruments are green, airspeed's coming alive. 50, 60, rotate. Use book Europe.
Skylane 06 Charlie, contact Boston Center 134.7, safe flight, talk to you later.
Boston 34.7, 06 Charlie, we'll talk to you on the way back. Good morning, Boston Center, Skylane 9106 Charlie's out of 2.3 for 7,000, direct 11 VOR.
November 9106 Charlie, Boston Center, good morning, your radar contact 2 miles west of Lebanon.
Checks for 06 Charlie.
9106 Charlie, Lebanon, altimeter 3011.
3011.
Good day. November 107 Romeo Golf, climb and maintain flight level 230. November 9106 Charlie, contact Boston Center 135.7.
Boston 35.7, 06 Charlie, we'll see you.
Contact data 1000, Burlington, altimeter 3009er.
Okay, 3009er, and F dot 1000, Georgia, 7301.
Good morning, Boston Center, Skylane 9106 Charlie, is out of 4,000 for 7.
Skylane 9106 Charlie, Boston Center, the Burlington, altimeter 3009er.
3009, 06 Charlie.
Boston Center, Wigan 1042 with you, 8,000. Wigan 1042, Boston Center, the Burlington, altimeter 3009er. 3009er, Wigan 1042. November 727, Echo Foxtrot, contact Burlington, approach 121.1. 21-1, 77 Echo Fox, tonight. Peninsula 270, contact Boston Center 134.7.
1347, Peninsula 270. Good day.
There's 7,000 in a couple seconds. Start to level.
92, you reached this frequency in error. Return to your previous.
Boss, if they're gonna want Envoy 3746 at flags at 11, we're getting a little steep.
Envoy 3746, Roger, call sub data 11,000, the Burlington altimeter 3009er.
Thanks. Echo at 11, 3009, Envoy 3746.
Boston, good morning, Sunwing 614, 1,2400, climbing flight level 230, flying 290 knots or greater.
I'm fine. Sunwing 614, Boston Center, good morning, climb and maintain flight level 360.
Climb and maintain flight level 360, Sunwing 614.
Boston Center, good morning, it's Rouge 1600, 11-3, climbing flight level 230, speed restricted 290 or less.
Rouge 1600, Boston Center, Roger, climb and maintain flight level 340.
Flight level 340, Rouge 1600.
November 9106 Charlie, contact Burlington, approach 121.1.
Burlington 21-106, I will see you.
Burlington approach Cessna 037, is the firing range hot today, or can we go below 4100 there?
037, affirmative, restricted area 631 is active, restricted to 5,000 feet, suggest turn left heading 270. So you can request your radar contact 17 miles east of Burlington Airport and say altitude.
Okay, 037, we're at 4,500, we're turning left to 270, and we would like to land at Burlington.
Cessna 037, roger, expect the right 19er, should turn left heading 260.
260, 037.
Good morning, Burlington approach Skyline 9106, Charlie 7000, information Zulu inbound.
Skyline 9106, Charlie, Burlington approach, roger, expect visual runway 19er.
Roger, expect the visual 1906 Charlie.
Cessna 8 Papa Victor, say altitude climbing to.
8 Papa Victor, level now at 5,500.
Thank you. Wiggins 1042, descend maintain 5,500.
5,500, Wiggins 1042.
73 Papa Victor, contact Boston Center 1 Tree 5.7.
3574, 738 Papa Victor.
Skyline 06 Charlie, turn right heading 360, vector for the visual approach, right 19er.
Right 360, vector to visual 1906 Charlie.
Additional aircraft information, Alpha current, Burlington altimeter 3008, wind 050 at 5. Wiggins 1042, airport 2 o'clock and 6 miles.
Inside for Wiggins 1042.
Wiggins 1042, roger, clear visual approach, 915, contact tower.
Wait for the visual and over the tower, Wiggins 1042.
Skyline 06 Charlie, turn left heading 350.
Left 350,
Skyline 06 Charlie, descend and maintain 5,400.
5,400, 06 Charlie.
Skyline 06 Charlie, turn left heading 340.
340, 06 Charlie.
Skyline 06 Charlie, descend and maintain 3,700.
3,700, 06 Charlie, the field site.
Skyline 06 Charlie, roger, clear visual approach, running 19er, contact tower 118.3.
Clear for visual 19, tower 18.3, 06 Charlie, we'll see you. Good morning, Burlington Tower. Skyline 9106 Charlie on the visual, runway 19.
Skyline 9106 Charlie, Burlington Tower. E110, 2 mile final, runway 15. Runway 19 are clear to land.
Runway 19, clear to land, 06 Charlie.
Wiggins 1042, turn right at the end, contact ground 126.3.
Right at the end, we'll go to ground there, 1042. Have a good morning.
You too. Skyline 06 Charlie, hold short of taxiway Charlie, safe parking.
Short Charlie going over to Heritage for 06 Charlie.
Burlington Tower, RPG 304.
Skyline 06 Charlie, the Cessna heading to your left will be crossing left to right. Just give way to them and taxi to parking via Charlie.
I'll give way to Cessna crossing left to right line, Heritage via Charlie 06 Charlie.
Patriot 30 Burlington Tower, fly heading 190, departure from the Army Guard ramp will be at your own risk.